Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you. This is part 2 of my single guitar arrangement of Richard Marx's song Right Here Waiting. In part 1, which I did the other day, we covered the intro, which doubles up as the instrumental in the middle of the song, and also the outro. Okay, so multifunctional bit there. So when you've come out of the intro, you've got this A sus2 to A minor bit twice, yeah? Okay, then we're going into the verse, okay? Now, there are 2 or 3 verses in the song. They all play the same. So once you've got a verse, you've got them all. Different words, but they're the same to play. There's a verse and a pre-chorus, okay? Then the chorus comes in, and that's the same all the way through the song as well. Okay, so let's get to it. So coming out of this bit on the end, the A sus2 to A minor bit at the end of the intro, we're going to a straightforward C chord, simple C chord, yeah? Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. Right, first line of the verse. Okay, so we're playing a straightforward C, 5 downwards. Oceans apart. Now this is an F sus2 with C in the bass. Okay, it's basically an F chord with an open 3rd string. Right, so but I like to play it with 5 strings. Okay, so it's like an F chord, basic F chord, simple F chord. Move the 3rd finger up to the 5th string, 3rd fret, and pinky is playing the 3rd fret on the 4th string. Now you could play this chord, you could go to that four-fingered F, what I call a 4-fingered F, 5 downwards. So you've got a simple F, or this 4-fingered F. You could use that, but to get it more like the piano sound, I'm playing this F sus2 with C in the bass. Okay, so to play that, I play the 4-fingered F chord, but take off the 2nd finger, 3rd string open. Okay, so what I'm doing there is barring the first 2 strings as a standard F. Okay, open 3rd string, and then these 2 fingers, 3rd finger and pinky, are playing the 3rd fret of the 5th string and 4th string. Open 3rd string. Okay, not playing the bottom E string. In fact, I'm resting my thumb on it, so I muted it anyway. Okay, so the options there are C to F, or this C to F sus2 with C in the bass, which I prefer it myself. Okay, so oceans apart, day after. Then we play the D minor 7ths. Okay, again barring the first 2 strings, 1st fret, 2nd finger playing the 2nd on the 3rd string, open 4th, open 5th, not playing the bottom E string. Okay, 5 downwards. Okay. Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. So that slowly go insane is G sus4. That's a G chord with 1st finger added to the 1st fret, 2nd string, and then take it off back to the G and then to the C. So that's the first line. Okay, so from the beginning, slowly. Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. Second line is exactly the same, okay? I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the... Now instead of going to C, we go to A sus2, like the intro. You know, at the end of the intro, that bit, we play that there, okay? That A sus2 to A minor. So we hammer into that 1st fret to make the A minor of the 2nd string, okay? So second on the fourth, second on the third. So that bit exactly the same as what's on the end of the intro. To the A minor, and then we go to this F sus2 with a C in the bass again, or an F if you want to keep it simple, okay, whichever. Okay, so comes out of that. Doesn't stop the pain. If I see you next to never. Just a single stroke on the F or F sus2 with a C in the bass, okay? I'm just going to call it F sus2 from now on, okay? So, and then we repeat that line again, the A sus2 to A minor. Now, so how can we say forever? So it's two lots of A sus2 to A minor to this F sus2. Single stroke will do nicely, and then repeat. Pause, and then we're going into the chorus, okay? So from the end of the intro, oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. I see you next to never. I can stay forever. Now, the only other thing I would like to add to that is on the first time you do that pre-chorus where it goes, I see you next to never. There's a little rundown before you go into the second one. Okay, and all that is if you're holding that F sus2, because I see you next to never, you go third on the fifth, second on the fifth, open A to the A sus2, hammer into the A minor, so it's doesn't stop the pain. I see you next to never. How can we say forever? Okay, then we're into the chorus. So all the verses play and the pre-chorus play exactly the same when you get the different words. Okay, so here we go. In the chorus, after that pregnant pause, we're going. How can we say forever? Right, chorus. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Right, so it's C to G. Wherever you G go, whatever you A minor do, I will be this F sus2 again, or F, depending on what you want to do, okay? Wherever G, waiting for C. U again, C, where G will go, what A minor will do, F sus2, right, G will wing, C, U again, wherever G takes, A minor breaks, will be F sus2, right, G wing, 4. Now, what we do now is two of those A sus2s again. Two of those, just like you do at the end of the intro. Okay? So the whole chorus. Whatever you do, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Got it? Then we go into another verse, which is exactly the same to play as the first verse, okay? I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow. I hear the laughter, I taste the tears, but I can't get near A sus2 to A minor. Can't you see it, baby? You got me going crazy. It's exactly the same as the first verse and pre-chorus with different words. Okay, so can it hear you now? Oh, I can see it, baby. You got me going crazy. And then we're off into the chorus again. Okay, wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, my heart break, I will be right here waiting for. Now we're going into the bridge section. End of the second chorus, we're going into the bridge section. Right, and that's D minor 7th to start with. Nice two distinct strums. So it goes right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance. Right, so coming out of that second chorus line where it goes right here waiting, D minor 7th, two strums, stay there, I wonder. So there's two distinct strums, like I wonder, and then another strum or so on D minor 7th. So right here waiting for you, I wonder. C with E in the bass now. That's the standard C chord, but you're playing the bottom E string open. You are playing that bottom E string open, okay? So right here waiting for you, I wonder how we can. So this F or F sus2 again. Right, this romance. D minor 7th again. But in the C with the inner bass again, in that one with F sus2 or F, you are taking my chance, G. Okay, so bridge again. I want to C with the inner bass, F with F2, this romance, D minor 7th again. But in C with the inner bass, F or F sus2, I'll take my chance. Okay, to the quick G at the end there. So it's, and then we're into the intro again. You got the idea? So, right. Exactly, just do the intro as you did it at the beginning of the song. And then it comes after you come into out of the intro. You come out of that the second time, and you go back into a bridge section. No, not bridge, a pre-chorus. Sorry. So you go. So you come out of that. To that, so where it goes again, okay, you did that A sus2 to A minor, okay, so I can see it, baby. You got me going crazy. It's that pre-chorus again, okay? So, coming out of that. How can you see it, baby? You got me going crazy. You can put a quick G on the crazy if you want to, or you just hang out the F chord. Crazy, or you could go going crazy. It's up to you. You could also put a G on crazy if you wanted to, and then basically it's another chorus. Okay, after that, after you've done that pre-chorus, going crazy, so on and so on. So you do another chorus, and then you do another instrumental solo, and you just finish on that. So sorry. Again. Slow it down there. Finish on the C. Okay, so there it was, guys. My single guitar arrangement for Right Here Waiting from Richard Marx. Lovely song. Thank you very much indeed for watching and listening. Hope that you enjoyed that and found it helpful. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.